The 2 Tyres Guide to the Kenda K784 Big Block. The Kenda K784 is an extreme tyre for adventure bike riders. It's one for those who like to get up to their cylinder heads in the muddy stuff. Kenda aren't that well known in the road bike market, but they produce championship-winning motocross and enduro tyres. The 784 leans on all of that off-road knowledge and is an impressive tyre for off-road exploits, with fitments for most modern adventure bikes. One of its other strong points is the price, which works out between 10 and 20% cheaper than the better-known marques. It wears well for a chunky tread block, but don't expect excellent on-road performance. If you only ride on the tarmac, these don't come recommended as they won't have the grip, feel or comfort of a more road-focused adventure bike tire, but if you want off-road confidence or gnarly looks, they've got it by the bucket load. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tire on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.